Hello and welcome to another update video about Near. The Near protocol continues to climb higher as per our projections here on the chart. I've been talking about Near now for many weeks. First time when it started to break there out of this descending price channel that was end of October. It was worth to start to cover it. And since then we have focused on higher prices towards the resistance area, which starts at $3.64. I've highlighted many times that the microstructure is a little bit unclear. So take the microstructure obviously with a pinch of salt. Not convinced by it. There are just too many different options. However, so far the uptrend that we have been tracking is still unfolding as per the primary scenario, which is still higher. Pullbacks have been very shallow. The last, let's say, entry point or pullback support area that we had on the chart was this one, which was triggered twice. Since then, not much more happened because the pullbacks have been extremely shallow, and it's difficult to come up with a wave count that looks really solid here. It might turn out to be some kind of a diagonal which is unfolding here, but again, for now, the uptrend is not broken and we continue to push higher. At the moment, I am tracking that as a 1-2-1-2 setup, which is now, and the price is now in this third wave, and we're likely still in the third wave, then should get a 4 at some point, a 5. But this wave count is highly unreliable, so don't be surprised if there are some wave count changes needed. So far, not yet. So far, no wave count change is needed. But most recently we have here, we can identify a bullish flag, which now seems to be breaking to the upside again. So the trend continues to push higher. As you can see, there was a bit of a descending wedge, and we have some fib levels on the chart that still are relevant. Yep, they are. And we said it should be targeting $2.87 next. That's not only the 100% extension level here of this wave 1, it's also a structural, very important structural resistance level. So it might very well be that we're getting there next. I wouldn't be surprised. And then it can still stretch higher. What would be a warning level? Well, very short term, if you're looking for a support level, you can obviously use the last one here, which was at $2.10. But really, I think this one is much more meaningful down there at $1.73. I mean, if that level breaks, it's going to be difficult. Then by that time, probably a larger pullback is unfolding. Would really need to assess the structure then. This does just look very corrective overall. But again, it could be a series of 1-2-1-2 setups, and this some kind of an internal wave 4. Really difficult to decipher the microstructure. Therefore, I try to avoid it and just mention that, this is a possibility, this is my idea, but there will be many different interpretations, and just be aware that we are still tracking an active uptrend, and it should still climb higher to $2.87 next. One of the more promising coins, short term at least. Already more than a month ago, I showed that coin to you and highlighted to you that it's starting to outperform Bitcoin. These are always the turning points that matter. And since then, it has continued to climb. Okay, so 287, then 323, 348, and 393 are the next key levels to watch. And if we zoom out a little bit to the daily chart, we can see that this could be a wave 2 correction that's unfolding right now, or a larger ABC. I mean, that might take us even to new all-time highs, but it would have to be some kind of a diagonal that's unfolding here. Okay, so again, we need to see how it develops. If after the next rally here that should reach the red resistance zone, if we see a corrective pullback, it might very well be the yellow count. Then we can add another support area that could then take us in a rally to new all-time highs in 2023. But it's too early for that right now. Okay, it's too early to really talk about that right now. First of all, the short-term uptrend is still alive. That's my update about Near. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.